Hello, my name is Candace McIntyre with the Resource Materials and Technology Center for the Deaf and Hard of Hearing, and we are going to show you how to use Microsoft Teams with an ASL interpreter for a student who is deaf or hard of hearing in a virtual environment. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm in Teams. I'm going to share my screen because I am the teacher, so I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share my whole screen. Now you'll see Teams has minimized and it's on the bottom right hand corner, so I'm going to click on Teams before I do anything else. Make it big again. Now if I'm a teacher and I want to show the interpreter and I want to show a PowerPoint presentation, I'm going to have a split screen. So I'm going to split my screen, and I'm on a Mac, so I have the green button. I'm going to hold the green button. I'm going to put Teams on the left, and I'm going to put my PowerPoint on the right. Now, I'm having my friend Sherry Conrad act as the interpreter, and my friend Kara Wilmot act as the student. So I want to pin my friend Sherry so that I can see her screen better and bigger. So I'm going to click on the three dots next to her name. I'm going to click Pin. But wait, we're not done. We're going to click on the three dots again. I'm going to click Fit to Frame. And now you'll notice that her screen is wider, which allows for the signs to be seen more clear. We also have our student, Kara Wilmot. You can still see her down on the bottom. Because she is the student who is deaf, we want to be able to see her facial expressions, to make sure that she is understanding. Now you'll see my interpreters on the left in Teams, and then I've got my PowerPoint on the right. Now I'm in PowerPoint Online because we're using Microsoft Teams. We wanted to use Microsoft PowerPoint. You could also use Google Slides as long as you are in a browser, you're not using any kind of application. If I were in the PowerPoint application and I shared the slideshow, then you would only see the slideshow. You wouldn't be able to see my split screens. But because I'm in the browser, you will be able to see the split screen. So I'm going to go ahead and start my slideshow from current slide. And I have the subtitles on. So now you'll see my interpreter pinned to the left, and then you'll see my PowerPoint on the right. Okay, so now this provides accessibility for the student who is deaf, hard of hearing with having the interpreter in view, and it also provides universal design for learning for all the other students with my captions options open. And then as a teacher, I can keep going and I can keep going through my PowerPoint and still have my interpreter. Some other things to remember: be sure to have your screen shared with the interpreter visible before you start talking. This ensures that the student has access to all auditory information at all times. Also be sure the interpreter screen is in view at all times. Again, this ensures the student has access to all auditory information at all times. And lastly, the student who is DHH should also be able to have their video open for accessibility to sign to the interpreter. You can keep in touch with us by following us on Facebook and Twitter. And we have a Vimeo and YouTube channel with lots of videos of our presentations, our TA Live webinars, and some additional videos demonstrating working with students who are DHH or other tutorials. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at info@rmtc-dhh.org. Thank you for watching today.